In this video, we are going to see how to add a text frame in a document. Now I go to View menu and uncheck Match Passport to Theme Color. Now it turns to white color and I select Text tool and I click and drag a rectangle to create a text frame. You can create a rectangle based on a measurement. It indicates in beside of the text cursor, and I release my mouse button. Now it's ready to type. Another way, you can add a text frame from the frame tool. Select this frame tool and click and drag here. It always used to place graphics or picture, but you can also convert any frame into text frame. Select text tool, place over the graphics frame. Now the cursor changed dotted circle and click it. Now the graphics frame convert to text frame and you can type in it. Also you can select rectangle or ellipse tool. I select ellipse tool and click and drag here, and I select text tool and click here. You can type, and you doesn't like it, select the selection tool and drag a selection all of the things. Enter delete button to delete it. Or you can place already created document. So go to layout menu and choose previous spread. Now I want to place a already created document. So I go to file menu and choose place. Here I want to select this MS Word document and choose open. Now the document placed here, or click undo button. Now the document is loaded and drag a rectangle to create a text frame. Now the document text placed inside the text frame. Thank you for watching. Thank you.